Good boy. Naragdag ka, Brad. Wait, just now. Sit. Good girl.
Good.
Good boy. Sit. Sit lang. Mukhang kagatin ako eh.
Hindi.
Jump!
He's playing with you.
Jump, jump, jump.
He's
Sheila,
playing
jump,
with you.
Sheila, jump. Brad, jump. Come on, jump, 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 jump. Good
There.
boy. Oh, down, down, down. Down, down.
Ano mo siya? Hawakan mo siya.
Ayoko, baka agatin ako eh.
No. He's playing with you. He trusts you more than mine. Sabi mo, jump.
Jump.
Si Sheila.
Sheila,
Tingnan
jump.
natin kung
Sheila.
kaya niya.
Jump, Sheila. Jump,
Parang
kaya.
too high. Sige na, one more. There. Good girl. Silang dalawa, sabi mo. There.
Good boy. Tinulak mo Sheila si Brad. Okay, good. Water? Need some
Oh.
water? Oh. Go.
Brad! 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 Yoo-hoo.
Say hi to mom. Come on. Come on.
Si Sheila.
Oh.
He likes you.
Brad.
I like
Good,
you.
Brad. Sheila naman. Come on, Sheila. Come on. Ayaw rin. Alright, down, 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 down.
Hawakan mo. Try to hawak.
Hindi ako eh.
Ha?
Baka gatin niya ako eh.
Hindi, no. Try mo. Sige na, try mo. Oh, see? Oh, ano mo siya. Come on, tell him jump.
Jump.
Come here.
Jump. Hindi kaya ni Sheila. Sino mas matanda, ma?
Ha?
Sino mas matanda? Come on, Sheila.
Sige. Tell.
Sheila, jump. Sheila, jump. Good girl.
There. Hawakan mo siya. Sheila! 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 So sweet. So sweet, Sheila. He likes more Sheila than Brad. He got that kind of scared with Brad after that. Almost got me the other day. Okay, try like that. Yeah, pet him. Yeah, like that. Girl. Brad, call him.
Brad.
There. See? See?
Kinis ako.
Okay. Give them 10 treats and we're gonna go.
Alright. Down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit over. No, sit. Sit.
Bigyan mo siya, tapos tumayo ka, anak. Give them.
Bye, guys. Tara.
Give their treats. They waiting.
Ilan? Isa?
Tigisa, of course.
So, what you gonna say? Love you. Love you, guys.
Bye-bye. See you again. See you again, baby. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we gotta go, Sina. Look what they got here. You have apple here. Apple is kind of soft now. Fresh water. Bye, babies. They busy. Bye.